In this tutorial, I'll show you how to visualize a page tree in Confluence. Start by opening Confluence and navigating to the page where you want to display the page hierarchy. Next, click Edit to open the page editor. Place your cursor where you want the page tree to appear. Type page tree or content tree depending on your Confluence version and select the appropriate macro from the list. Once the macro is inserted, choose the root page that you want the page tree to display. You can configure the macro to show pages from a specific section of your space or display the entire page hierarchy. Adjust the available settings to control how the tree is displayed, including options for expanding child pages, sorting pages, and showing a search box. Preview the page tree to make sure the structure appears the way you want it to. If your organization uses page tree visualization apps, you can also create graphical representations of your page hierarchy for a more visual navigation experience. After reviewing the layout, make any final adjustments to improve readability and navigation. Then click Publish to save your changes. Your page tree will now appear directly on the page, helping users explore and navigate related content more easily. And that's it! You've successfully visualized a page tree in Confluence. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.